In 2023, deep in the ruins of a 3,000-year-old palace, archaeologists found a small piece of clay that shouldn't exist. It was covered in a mysterious script no living human could read. For decades, we believed we knew every major language of the Bronze Age, the Hittites, the Babylonians, the Egyptians. But this single tablet proved we were wrong. It revealed a completely lost civilization and a forgotten language called Kalasma, a voice from the past, silent for 30 centuries. But who were these people? And why did their world vanish into the dust of Turkey? The story begins at Hattusa, once the powerful capital of the Hittite Empire, a superpower that challenged even the pharaohs of Egypt. Since the early 1900s, over 30,000 clay tablets were found here, most written in Hittite, some in Luwian or Palaic. But in late 2023, something strange appeared. Professor Andrea Schachner noticed an unusual tablet. The text began in Hittite, then suddenly changed. From now on, I will read in the language of the land of Kalasma. What followed looked familiar, yet every word was alien. The discovery shocked the world of linguistics. Like finding a book that suddenly switches languages, through 2024 and 2025, experts worked to crack the code. They discovered the Hittites recorded conquered rituals. They took land, and they took prayers. The Kalasma tablet is likely a religious ritual, and to honor local gods. Keeping the original language made it more powerful. This tablet is the only proof Kalasma ever existed. So where was Kalasma? Clues point to northwest Turkey, near the Black Sea, a land between empires and unknown cultures. The language was Indo-European, a distant cousin to English, Greek, and Sanskrit, yet completely unique. Proof the ancient world was deeply diverse, not just empires, but hundreds of tribes, each with songs, stories, and gods. Then came the collapse. Around 1200 BC, the Bronze Age fell apart. Cities burned, trade collapsed, writing nearly vanished. The Hittite Empire fell with it. Kalasma disappeared into ash and soil. For 3,000 years, they were forgotten, a ghost civilization. One dig, one room, one moment changed everything. And in 2025, AI joined the search, comparing Kalasma to thousands of ancient dialects. Every translated word is a victory. Like reconnecting a broken call from 1000 BC, history is not finished. Secrets still lie beneath our feet. The emotional weight is immense. Languages are fragile, cultures fade. One day, our world may be questioned the same way. The people of Kalasma were real. They had families, fears, and a language worth preserving. This tablet is their final message, a plea not to be forgotten. So here's the question. If a language can vanish for 3,000 years, what else is missing? Lost empires? Sunken kingdoms? We think everything is discovered, but we're only scratching the surface. What would you say to someone 3,000 years in the future? And how would you make sure your voice survives? Your curiosity keeps lost voices alive.